To customize Trust Wallet fingerprint login, start by opening the Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Ensure you have the latest version of the app to access the most recent features and security updates. Navigate to the Settings section, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and select the Security option. Within the Security menu, look for the Fingerprint Login or Biometric Authentication option and select it. You will be prompted to enter your wallet password to verify your identity and authorize the changes. Once verified, you can proceed to set up or customize the fingerprint login feature. If your device supports fingerprint scanning, you will be guided through the process of registering your fingerprint. Follow the on-screen instructions to successfully enroll your fingerprint. After enrolling your fingerprint, you can test the fingerprint login feature by locking and unlocking your wallet. If the feature is working correctly, you should be able to access your wallet using your fingerprint. To further customize the fingerprint login experience, explore the advanced settings within the security menu. Here you can adjust preferences such as requiring a password or fingerprint for specific transactions or wallet actions. Best practices for customizing Trust Wallet fingerprint login include using a unique and secure wallet password, regularly updating your wallet software, and being cautious when allowing other devices or fingerprints to access your wallet. By following these steps and adhering to best practices, you can effectively customize the Trust Wallet fingerprint login feature to enhance the security and convenience of your digital asset management experience.